Rolling.
Here's the tip. Bring on low-commitment virtual help for your practice, and you might even end up working with these people for years like we have.
Is having a tracking telephone number still the best way to track television ads?
This video is how to bring on low-commitment virtual help for your practice, and you might even end up working with these people for years like we have. Also, I'm featuring Lana at Big Time Advertising with a media buying moment.
Go Media Marketing is a full-service agency helping prominent law firms and companies like yours get visible. Video, websites, consulting, and more.
This video is about how to bring on low-commitment virtual help for your law practice, including other lawyers. Why virtual help? I've used lots of virtual help, and because they're virtual, they're ready to help me just when I need them the most. We've helped grow law practices the same exact way. Preparing your practice for virtual help. Before we get virtual help, we prepare for it by creating tutorials and making systems. For virtual receptionists, we create scripts. For intake, we have forms that they fill out, and also case management software that's online. Hiring virtual help. Then we use Upworks or a similar platform as 24/7 reception, intake, lawyers, and legal secretaries. These are real people, and with the platform like Upworks, you have an escrow account. They get paid when the job is completed to your specs. Now let's take a moment to talk to Lana about television advertising and media buying. Lana and Big Time Advertising have helped one of my clients cut his media buying costs by 30%.
Hey Lana, thank you so much for joining me today.
Hi Mary, thanks for having me.
Okay, so the question of the day is having a tracking telephone number still the best way to track television ads?
If your target is a 35-year-old female, she might be listening to 2 different radio stations back and forth. She might be watching 3 or 4 different television stations. So the chances of her using the correct tracking number, may or may not happen. What I would always suggest to my clients is that if you're going to use tracking numbers, use one for television and one for all your television and one for all your radio.
Yeah.
Then make sure you have a good agency so that you're on the right television stations talking to your correct target, the right radio stations talking to your correct target. But again, keep in mind that most people are going to hear your ad, they're going to see your ad, they're going to go online. So even if those tracking numbers don't produce like you want them to, if your web leads are up when you're on television or when you're on radio, then you know that that's working for you as well.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much for being with me today. I will totally, oops, let me say that one more time. Thanks for joining me today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. It's always such a pleasure to talk to you.
Same here, Mary. Thank you.
Getting new cases is not like turning on a faucet. There's a lot to it. Go Media Marketing is a full-service, hands-on, highly creative, boutique California agency working with mainly law firms. Please contact me anytime with questions, comments, or ideas. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.